Good afternoon, North Plainfield. This is just a quick tutorial on how to get yourself started when it comes to using Screencastify. There's a couple of different things you might notice. So as of right now, if you do not have it pre-installed, for some of us it might be pre-installed on our laptops, you would go to your Chrome browser. So you open your Chrome browser, and then you're going to go to Screencastify. So you can search install Screencastify, and then you can make sure you go to either the website first, and then once you go to the website, you can log on in by clicking my account, and then it'll have a login section for you here. So I'm already logged in. So I made sure that that's good. And the next step would be to go to Screencastify for Google Chrome, because now you're going to add the extension to make it easier to use more efficiently. So once you get the Chrome extension here, you're going to click install. Once it's installed, you'll notice that it comes up to this area here. So this is where your extensions are. So anything you add to your computer like DocHub, Translate, Bitmoji, any of that stuff comes here. One thing that's important to note, if you find yourself using the extension often, you can pin it. So I'm going to pin for the purposes right now. Screencastify will stay there no matter what. So now that I have Screencastify installed, let's say we want to get started. So now we're going to get started.